नमस्कार दोस्तों, होप you are safe and you are healthy and hope you are fighting very well with COVID-19 pandemic. दोस्तों, today we are going to discuss about comfort zone and how to expand the boundaries of comfort zone. So दोस्तों start करते हैं. What is comfort zone? Comfort zone is a imaginary boundary where we feel too comfortable, and because of that we miss professional opportunities, personal growth, experiences of life and so on. In short, इस आरामदायक सीमा में रहने के कारण हम enriched, marvelous, stupendous and beautiful life को मिस कर जाते हैं. So we must come out from this comfort zone. Of course, answer is yes. तो दोस्तों, चौका लगाने के लिए मौके का इंतजार करना छोड़ो, मौका बनाओ, चौका लगाओ. Magic never happens in comfort zone. Magic always happens outside to comfort zone. So step out of comfort zone and create magic in your life. Friends, have you observed children? They don't have fear. They don't feel uncomfortable in skating over snow. They are much happy while running 10-12 kilometers. They don't feel anxious in riding bicycle of 10, 15, 20 kilometers. They don't fear in diving, jumping. Why? Because they don't have comfort zone. They have not made rigid boundaries in their mind. They are flying freely in the sky as birds do. But we have. So we will push its boundaries. Correct? So are you ready? Are you ready to know what are the methods? How we can get out of comfort zone? Here we will discuss. Friends, have you seen cat, mouse? Whenever he comes out from his hole, he look front, up, down, left, right. And as he get any perception, any sound, anything outside, then he come back in his burrow. Because that hole, that burrow is his comfort zone. Whenever he steps out from his comfort zone, he has lot of fear. Fear of cat, fear of dog, fear of human beings and so on. So he comes back. Similar happens with human being as well. But our things are little bit different. As we move out to comfort zone, there is fear zone. As we come out from fear zone, there is learning zone. So as we step out from comfort zone, there is fear zone. Fear of anxiety, fear of discomfort, fear of stress, fear of nervousness. So we get across all these fears and we come back in our comfort zone. So what are these fears in our practical life and how to get rid of it, we will discuss now. First, fear of unknowns. Fear of stranger, fear of unknown person, fear of unknown places, fear of unknown systems, fear of unknown weather, and so on. So if we remove UN from unknown, then fear will be gone. So how to remove UN from unknown? Just learn. Just get the information what we are going to do, which make us known. Just gather the skills. If you are scared of doing work in MS Office, get training, get tutorials of MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint. You will be able to work in Microsoft Office. Discuss with different persons. Discuss with different genders to remove your fear of unknowns. Friends, success leaves the clue. And the great personalities like Kalam Sahab, Napoleon Hill, Mahatma Gandhi, Dhirubhai Ambani, they left various things which we must learn and adopt. We must follow their footprints. We read the novels related to their life. We should go through TED Talks, YouTube. Plenty of resources are available with us to get to know the things, to increase our familiarity with the things which we are going to do. So if we develop familiarity, we become familiar with these things, of course fear of unknown will be gone. Do creative imagination of things which you are going to do. Creative image, think you are actually doing it. You are actually going on stage, giving your personal public speak. You are doing public speaking, discussing with things, dealing with different peoples, working on a good software and so on. And actually you will do, because you have made known to unknown. Next, fear of failure. Failure is first step of success, we all know. Correction, action, these are the two things we must know. There are three mantras of success. There are three mantras to learn from your failure and implement it and convert it in your success. First, rejection. If there is no rejection, there is no learning. Rejection, then correction, then action. These three things are mantras of success and the mantras of learning from failure. You do it. Have you heard about Thomas Edison? He has invented lamp operated by electricity. He has failed more than 10,000 times. He labeled slow learner in his school during childhood. Now he has more than 10,000 patents on his name. Sorry, he has more than 1100 patents in his name. Have you heard about Mahendra Singh Dhoni? He was captain of Indian cricket team. He has list of failure in his life. He was small town boy, don't get much exposure, but he saw the dream. He saw the dream to play in Indian cricket team. And he fought, he won, and result is in front of us. फ्रेंड्स, एक पोयम है, नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर कई बार फिसलती है। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। आखिरकार उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। So friends, learn from your failures. Whenever you come across such dilemma, should I do or don't do? If I will do, this failure will happen. Just introspect, just think what it. If you will fail, you are already failed. You are not taking any step. But if you will not fail, then what will happen? Your life will change. Your dream will come true. You will be in heaven. Plenty of happiness will come to your door. So analyze whenever you are in dilemma, plus or minus, yes or no, just then go for yes. Do the things with your 100%. Definitely nature will give you in return 200%. So friends, challenge the failure, learn from it and implement it. Next, fear of challenge. Friends, challenge yourself. Expand your limits. Challenge daily to yourself. If you are working 9 hours in a day, work 10 hours in a day. If you are running 4 kilometers in a day, run 5 kilometers in a day. If you are waking up at 5, challenge yourself to waking up at 4:15, 4:30, 4:45. Daily challenge yourself. Daily push your boundaries. Push your boundaries. One day your boundary will be expanded. Your comfort zone will expand. So push yourself, challenge yourself. Now next, fear of distance. Friends, when our goal is too large, too big, too distant, then what happens? We procrastinate the things. अरे कल करेंगे यार, परसों करेंगे यार, अरे एक हफ्ते बाद शुरू करेंगे, होली के बाद करेंगे, दिवाली के बाद करेंगे. We start procrastinating. You know friends one thing? Procrastination, opposite to decision, is our biggest enemy. We must conquer it to get success in our life. Note this point. So friend, don't procrastinate. Divide your goal in baby steps, in little tasks. Accomplish it and pat yourself. Cherish, yes, I have done, I have accomplished. One day will come that step by step, task by task, you will reach quite near to your goal and you will achieve your goal. Friends, there is no escalator for success. There is no escalator for success. Success comes only through stairs. You have to come one by steps. You have to follow the right step to get the success. So make your plan, execute it, faith on it and get it. So friends, these are all the failures we come across while we try to expand our comfort zones. So try it, definitely you will get success. I will come with one more video in comfort zone where we will discuss about more points. What rest of the points, what other points we should do to come out of comfort zone, cross the fear zone and enjoy our life. So that's all. Thank you so much.